Alrighty guys, so we just showed up here at Copart, and this is the car that they drove out. It is a run and drive that we bought from Copart, and looks like it was a deer hit. Looking at the first initial damage, just that front end clip, and the right side is pretty much all perfect. And then the window is cracked, and then the little mirror thing's missing right here, and there's a little door ding. Everything else on the car is pretty fine, but yeah, here we are. Hey, what is up guys? Today is the first day of the build. Today we're just going to be focusing on taking everything apart, and we'll just do a quick little walk around of the car. You can see the damage right there. Windshield's busted, and the mirror is off, and there's a little dent from the mirror. But pretty much everything else about the car, there's the normal rust spots that the Sonatas have on the wheel wells. Well, that's missing right there. And then, strangely, yeah, the door handle is missing, so I have to go in from the back and then open it there. It's pretty strange, but going over here, this is going to be our parts car, which we're taking all the parts from. We already have most of the front side taken apart, so all we have to do is just pretty much transfer the parts from there onto this one, and yeah, we'll be all good to go. Stay tuned. Upon taking a closer look at the car, these are just a bunch of clothes. It's actually a bunch of kids' clothes. Looked like a mom owned this car, or someone who just had a kid. There's a bunch of toddler clothes, probably be donating that to Goodwill. But upon further inspection of the inside, it is really dirty. You can tell this car is pretty neglected. It's kind of hard to see. There's stains on the seats. That's pretty much expected. Can't open up the door. Always forget about that. So we're just gonna go in through here. So the interior, it's not terrible. The carpet down there probably has to be swapped out for the one in my car. And yeah, everything in here is just filthy. There's just so much dirt and grime. And then over here there's like little rips and that's fine, whatever. But yeah, this is gonna need a lot of TLC. Alrighty, so we got everything taken off pretty much, and yeah, there's pretty much little to no like actual frame damage on the curtain or anything. This is just a little bent. I can just pound that out with a hammer. And then I believe this is just a little bent backwards. See, the other one over there is flat. So yeah, it wasn't actually too hard, just a little bit. I'll start working on that another day. We're just focusing on the front end. The power steering actually did not work in this car. There's a little hole right there. I hope the steering rack or anything like that isn't bad. I hope it just needs fluid, because there's no fluid in there right now, obviously. And yeah, car's looking pretty clean. Oh yeah, except for the classic high-end AV6 valve cover gasket that goes wrong in every single car. And actually it says right here 217 new alternator, and I'm assuming they probably got a new alternator because the oil decided to leak on the alternator, and then they went, oh yeah, we'll just slap a new alternator on there and not actually solve the source of the problem. But yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the build.